They're pin trading with tons of Sesame Street. Abby Jaunt. Duty free. I seriously love all the cool shirts and stuff. And the big 50th anniversary stuff. And they have adult sizes in the huge capes, as well as kid sizes. And in here we have characters like Elmo and Cookie Monster. And this is themed to a giant theater. And that's why we wanted this one to be. And since there's no line, let's go play with Cookie Monster.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Cookie, I think you have a visitor.
You know he's my favorite.
He is?
He is.
Cookie, you're his favorite.
My favorite. Absolutely. Ta-da! Awesome, thank you. And we can't forget Elmo, who is awesome too, right? We love Elmo. And lots of cool characters. Wizard of Oz, which of course Sesame Street has done. And I love that. And then you empty in. Now, this is the whole meet and greet area where they're gonna have various different characters. We just got lucky with no line. No line at all. But this is going to be huge. It's gonna be one of the biggest attractions. So they have quick queue all signed up. And right through here is where the parade gets started. And that's it. We're going to go check out the parade. So until next time, thank you for tuning in.